Welcome to your Vahchef mini-me videos. Short, simple and super tasty. Today we're going to make instant mango pickle. So whenever I make instant mango pickle, I just use 2 or 3 mangoes because I just finished this in just 1 or 2 weeks. So for making this, we're going to wash the mangoes thoroughly. Just dry them up. Now cut them into smaller pieces. Take a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of coarsely grounded red chilli powder and also 2 teaspoons of regular red chilli powder, half a teaspoon of methi powder. The methi powder, you think it's bitter, but in pickles it is one of the #1 ingredient. And in this we're going to add some mustard seed powder. I'm going to add some chopped garlic and also grated ginger. Add salt. You can also add rock salt, but remember, when you are adding salt, try and avoid iodized salt. Add these raw mango pieces now and mix it thoroughly. This is going to take few hours to get that nice beautiful color. Whenever we are adding oil for a pickle that is stored for a long time, we heat it to a smoking point and we let it cool down. For this pickle you can add the regular oil, raw oil and mix it. Always I love a little bit of tempering. Heat oil to a smoking point and add mustard seeds. Add hing. This, put it on the pickle and let it rest for few hours and the pickle will mature. The juices from the mango will come out, the rock salt will melt away, and the next day morning this pickle is ready to enjoy for the next 15 days. But in my house we usually finish it in few days. So let's taste it. When it comes to instant pickle, the first day it is just too good. Second day it's amazing, and for the next few days this is just out of the world. And look at it, the juices of the mango, just after a couple of hours the juices from the mango and then everything is getting ready. And here I've got the all-time favorite, the curd rice. Just one piece at a time in one gulp. My goodness, this is just amazing. Curd rice, mango pickle. Curd rice, mango pickle. Make it, eat it and just enjoy it.